Okay, this is 3026. It has been on the market for 200 days. 408 is like right there. So that's probably why it's been on the market for so long. It is listed at 139,000 and it's about 700 square feet. So here's the living room. Okay, you have a bigger kitchen in this one. That's where a little bit of the square footage goes. It's a vinyl floor, it's not tile. Okay, you have Formica countertops. Okay, the dining room. Okay, here's your living room. And then out here, your balcony. You can hear the 408, which is right there. And then you see, the garage. So it's not the greatest view. This is probably why it's been on the market for so long. And here is the bedroom. It's a nice big size. And it's got Formica counters in the kitchen, in the bathroom. And it also has a tub. Looks like your washer dryer is in here. And here's your closet. Okay, let's walk back through. Again, linoleum, bathroom, or bathtub. There's the room. There's your view. Living room.